Okay, how do I even start this? How do I start this? I guess I just start talking to the camera, I don't know. I have run into a bit of a problem with my YouTube channel. And no, it's not the fact that I still can't find a good barber in Indiana, although that is a serious problem that is affecting this channel. For real though, at the end of 2024, I started experimenting with a new format of videos and it started to perform very well. Maybe you've watched a couple of these videos, maybe you have no idea what I'm talking about, but essentially the concept is taking a piece of technology and testing it / reviewing it for 7 days via a documentary-ish style video. And I'm buying these products with my own money to make these videos as least biased as possible to actually give people valuable information, and they're just really fun to make. And it started resonating with an audience very well. However, I think it's a totally different audience than all of you who have been around my channel for a lot longer. And if you're watching a video like this, I'm sure you know my channel's backbone was built on video production, filmmaking, video editing, filmmaking projects and challenges, and mostly camera reviews and retrospectives on older cameras. So in order to not build two separate audiences on one channel and get people being like, yo, where's the camera stuff? And other people like, hey, where's these tech documentary videos we've been waiting on? I have decided to just start a brand new YouTube channel. No one can stop us. So this channel is not being deleted. It's not going anywhere. In fact, I am going to absolutely full send video production on this channel. I'll probably still talk about some hybrid stuff as well because I do like photography a lot and I do a lot of it personally, but I need to bring the focus of this channel in because my creative brain likes to just splatter paint on the walls and see what works. But at some point I gotta be like, okay, well, we've figured out some things that work. Let's go this way, video production. And then my brand new channel is called Zach Techfield, and that's going to be home of hopefully just straight tech documentary bangers for anybody who's interested in seeing me put my filmmaking twist on the tech niche on YouTube. I would encourage you guys, if you're interested in tech, please subscribe to the new channel. I wanna see how fast I can get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, and I already have 3 videos on that channel that I think are very solid. So go check those out, but I just wanna let you guys know it's there and I'm very excited about it. You might not know, but I am the sole provider for my family. My YouTube content and video production is the thing that feeds my family. So that's why I've been working with a lot more brands this year because I have to pay the bills, and I'm trying to balance video production on top of that and kind of relaunching my freelance in a new state, in a new city we moved to 6 months ago. So in order to help me offset working with brands, I would absolutely love to have you guys support if you can. So for $4.99 a month, you can sign up for my Patreon, my Discord, or YouTube memberships on this channel. And it's the exact same perks across all 3 platforms. I just wanted to make it as easily accessible to you guys as possible. All my brain has space for right now is I can credit your guys' names at the end of my videos. I've tried doing other perks and I just can't really like fulfill that with being a dad and doing video production and YouTube. However, in the Discord, if you choose to become a member there versus Patreon and YouTube members, in the Discord, I will probably be doing random live streams in a private channel that only the paid members get access to. And I plan on just doing like edit streams in there. So I'll be like showing literally just like how I edit my YouTube videos or client projects depending on what I'm doing that week. And yeah, if you have questions, I'll have like a chat in there and stuff and we can just hang out. So if you are a long-term Discord member and you've gained value from that, maybe consider just becoming a joined paid member to support, to help keep my lights on everywhere because it's a lot of work. And now I wanna give you guys a chance to comment and let me know exactly maybe what you've been wanting from me on this channel, because I do have tons of ideas. I'm an idea machine, but I also want you guys to like gain value that you need from my skill and my channel, whatever skill I have to offer. Let me know, what do you actually wanna see from me? But at the end of the day, I just wanna say thank you to you guys. I guess this is kind of a channel update video, channels update. But yeah, I just really, really love you guys. And I feel like I don't have a lot of chances to just sit and talk directly to you guys. I'm so thankful for you guys supporting all these years. Like if you're an OG, you're the best. I appreciate you guys. And if you're new, you're also the best. Honestly, text me when you get home in any capacity. Find a way to text me so I know you're safe. Watch out for those ding dang deer They are my enemy, and I will take them all down. And I really do believe that you are valuable, you are beautiful and worthy of God's love. And I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad that you're alive and that you're a part of this community and that you're watching this video right now doing this. You might be taking an absolute mad dump right now, but you're locked in with me, and I love you for that. And yeah, I guess we'll see what happens with these channels, but that's all I have to say, I guess. I love you so much.